Go look at the tree.
Look at the tree.
No?
No, no touch.
You married?
No.
Please.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him kissing it.
I'm afraid I must insist.
Oh, that is cool.
No, no touch. No touch. No touch. You can kiss it. Good boy. Yay. Kiss the tree. Kiss it. Give a kiss. No, no touching. Give a kiss. No. No yay. Give it kiss. No. Oh, you're telling it bye? No, don't touch it. Bye. Oh, I want a kiss? I get a kiss? Oh, he burped in my face. Kiss it. No, don't touch it. You can kiss it, but don't touch it. Am I a chair to you, kid? I have become Cody's seat. I have become Cody's seat.
These glasses make you high.
Pretty tree, huh? No, don't touch it.
Things turn out a little sour. I needed you to get away.
No touch. Cody. Cody, say bye. Bye-bye. To me, not the... Hey, don't bite the tree. Oh my God, he tried to bite it and gnaw at it like a dog. Don't bite it. Love the tree. What you got in your mouth?
A pine needle, probably.
No biting. Cody, stop biting the tree. My kid is eating the tree. Oh my Jesus. Come here, give me your mouth. No. Give me that back. He bit some needles off the tree and then takes off with the ball. Knock on the door, Cody. Cody, go knock on the door. Knock on the door. No, you don't get any more. Put the present up. No.